NOKIA 6110 Navigator UpperBlock Disassembly and Assembly Hints. You will need the following tools: the SS93, the dental pick, metal tweezers, a flat-bladed screwdriver, a bit holder with a Torx size 4 bit and a torque driver. Check that no battery is still inserted. Open the assembly in order to reach the logo label. Release the label with a dental pick, beginning at the position shown. Gently peel up the logo label now. Do not use it again. Remove the adhesive residues before reassembly. Unscrew both screws. It is not necessary to remove the second screw if only a cover or functional K-mate needs to be replaced. Open the clips of the cover. Shift it to bottom side direction and lift it up. The function K-mate can be removed easily. Unlock the clips of the GPS antenna assembly. It can be removed now. The earpiece is not glued in and can be replaced easily. Open the metal latches of the shield. On both sides. Lever up the flex connector of the display. Unlock the clip of the display through the recess. Now the display can be lifted up. The glued-in UI flex can be removed. Note: for disconnecting the flex connectors, the lower block must be disassembled first. The adhesive was assembled for production issues and must not be replaced. The disassembly procedure is now completed. Assembly. Mind the correct positioning when replacing the UI flex. When changing the LCD module, always replace the LCD frame. 2. Mind the correct positioning of the LCD frame. Position the LCD into its compartment. Peel off the protective film. Mind the correct positioning of the grounding pad. Close the flex connector. Flip over the shield lid. Click the snaps into their places. Note the correct positioning of the alignment tabs. Fit the earpiece into the GPS antenna assembly. Place the GPS antenna assembly. Click the snaps into their places. Check that this snap clicked into its place correctly. Do not forget placing the camera dust shield. Insert the function K-mate. Insert the assembly into the cover, beginning from the bottom. Click all snaps into their places. Insert the screws. Set the correct torque. Tighten both screws with the correct torque. Place a new logo label. Align it correctly and smooth it down evenly.